the truth about you. Wanna know the truth about you.
This is what you get here. Yeah, this one. This is not from this camera point, but this is type of phone.
The name is Cine Monde.
Yes, yeah, it is. Done. So you want one more photo? Okay.
Perfect.
Plug in
Yes.
and charge it. I'm gonna show it to you. Wanna let
Okay.
go?
That looks so cute. Look.
So that's good. I told you. Yeah, the other one also.
Was that a good model? New camera. Camcorder. He even gave me this little tripod. It's so cute. So excited to try it out.
Good evening. 𝒊𝒆𝒂𝒏𝒏𝒊𝒆 to everybody. Oh, thank you. 𝒊𝒆𝒂𝒏 to you too. Oh, it's a pleasure. Thank you.
I bought a new video camera. It's pretty cute. This little bruise is not going away for some reason. It even has like this little light thing. It's pretty cool. Has a bit of a flip thing going on. Can be in this little selfie mode. Light is creeping me out a little. Strangest things have happened. Bought a small box of dates, which is like my favorite. Were just nowhere to be found anywhere in my apartment. And I have a tiny kitchen. I never lose things in my place. But they were gone. I thought maybe the ghosts have eaten it. There's a saying in Korean that when something bizarre happens, it must have been the ghost. So bizarre to the point it makes the ghost wail. In Korean traditional funeral, it's normal for people to wail. And I was emptying out the dishwasher. I found something. It made like a clank sound. I was like, what's going on? I thought I emptied the dishwasher. I was just putting stuff back in. It turns out there's like a glass straw that doesn't belong to me. I've used this dishwasher so many times. It's been 4 months since I moved in. I did not ask for roommates. Give me back my dates because I need them. They're my favorite. I just enjoy the solitude, you know? Just leave me alone, okay? I'm just talking to my ghost. I know it's here somewhere. We're not in good terms right now, but we'll see. Okay, bye.
Acordo cedo logo de manhã, uso lotado, ligo o Walkman. Trabalho o dia inteiro no calor. À tarde chove aí não deu, doutor. Mas tudo bem, malandro, porque hoje tem balanço. Mas tudo bem, compadre, eu vou dançar até mais tarde.
You ready for your ninja road?
As goofy as yours?
Oh no, they're gonna do kabuki theater. Gosh, I'm stupid.
My friend's going right.
Now where's the bathroom?
Monday to Sunday. Kick back till your legs get sunbathe. On my way, it's a lovely day for a school. Yeah, my caramel Betty Boo. Yeah, I know exactly what you're doing, and you know exactly what I'm doing. What I'm doing, I'm waiting for you. I'm waiting for you, babe. I'm waiting for your text. Let's do it, get zooming.
trying to show them how to jam. There's one thing left to do, and that's to jam. There's only one thing left to do, and that's jam. There's only one thing left to do, and that's the jam.
There's one beer left, all the rappers in our ears like real death at our doorstep. Hold up, let me take another rep and reassure that I will pass the sermon off with my word as I lead into the curve to be a goal.
Bye.